Hey Zikkers! In today's special video, we're gonna check out the top products for December, straight from one of the leaders in the e-commerce world, AC Hampton. AC Hampton has done so much for the e-commerce community, it's insane. He's an incredible success story. He started dropshipping at a young age, became independent, and turned dropshipping into his full-time career. And today, he's easily one of the best in the industry. So here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna break down the top 5 out of 10 products from his popular video, and I'm gonna show you the 5 products in order of my ranking, based on how well each product performs in terms of revenue and how saturated the market is with that specific product. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into this special video because it is gonna be a good one. All right, Zikkers, let's jump into the first product from AC Hampton's list, all right? It's the Tap Purifier Home Kitchen Filter. Let's take a closer look.
The best home filtration system, removing up to 100 contaminants, and they're doing a great job with how they start their ad. It's grabbing your attention right away with that opening statement. It's then telling you the problem that you have and then highlighting the solution with their product overall. Saying like, ew, take a look at this water. And then it's showing the inside of it and it looks disgusting. And now showcasing how this product is eliminating that issue overall. With 7-stage filtration filters, easy installation, and removing chlorine, metals, and any type of other contaminants.
Wow, like what a fantastic product. This is definitely something with broad appeal. It can work for so many types of buyers. To properly review this product, I'll be using the Product Explorer. Using the Zik Product Explorer tool, I will be able to get suggestions for products that are selling in Shopify stores. I can review the sales data, analyze the store selling the product, and even source the same product from international suppliers like AliExpress. And my goal here is to find the exact product AC featured in his video. And the key here is to experiment with your keywords just a little bit to pinpoint the right product. So let's just try searching for something very obvious: tap water filter, and hit search. All right, look at that. I can see a variety of tap water filters here, but the first result looks like a match to what AC reviewed. And from what I see, this is the only store selling the exact product as AC showcased. Now, let's take things further by clicking on the spy icon right here to dig into the product's performance and the store selling it. So look at that. All the information. Just follow the store sales tracker, and this product is an absolute gem. It has made 464 sales in the last 30 days. That's like 15 units sold every single day, basically, right? But here's the kicker: recurring customers. Not only is the tap water filter itself selling well, but the replacement filters are also racking up sales. So this opens up an amazing opportunity for repeated business. And when I go to the product finder, I see multiple suppliers for this item. Let's just click on one of them. For example, this one right here, and they're selling the product for just $12.91 with free shipping. Now, let's break down the numbers here, the profit. The dropshipping store you reviewed is selling this filter for $58, including shipping. Shopify's transaction fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents, which equals to $1.98 per sale. The cost on AliExpress is $12.91, including sale. That leaves a profit of $43.11 per sale. With 464 sales in the past 30 days, that store made around $20,000 in profit. And that's before ad and operation expenses. Don't forget, this doesn't even include profits from the replacement filters, which are also selling like crazy. So what do you think about this? What's your verdict? This is absolutely a product worth dropshipping right now. AC Hampton, you really uncovered a gem right here, and a product with recurring customer potential, strong margins, and low competition. We found only one store selling this exact tap water filter, and it's performing incredibly well. All right, Zikkers, let's just keep going here with the next product that AC Hampton recommends in his top products to sell in December 2024 video, the Cozy Warm Blanket Hoodie. So let's check out what AC has to say about it, all right?
Now this product is going to allow you to wrap your loved ones in warmth and comfort with this oversized blanket hoodie. It's super soft and fluffy, it's a one-size-fits-all, and it's obviously a Christmas must-have. And look at this marketing angle that they have with this ad, saying, if my boyfriend got me this, I'd marry him on the spot. So you already see the type of people that they're targeting targeting with their ad. This is still fresh in the market, only been around for about a week, and the engagement is definitely picking up.
All right, so this is such a cool product. It's practical, it's cozy, and definitely looks promising. Let's dive into the data using Zik Analytics and see what's behind the buzz. First, I typed the keyword blanket hoodie into Zik Product Explorer and clicked search. And Zikkers, just look at this. So many exact matches for the product that AC featured, and the sales data is just incredible. And as I scroll down here, it's clear that this product is a top performer. Product after product shows high sales right here, proof that it's an amazing item to sell. If you are considering starting a niche store, this product might be a golden ticket. Why? Because it's a one product fits all item, making it super low maintenance when it comes to things like return. There's also many designs and patterns available that you can easily build a theme store around this one product. So let's check one of these like top performance hoodies right here. Let's go with this one. So this one has sold 355 times in the last 30 days, and then by clicking on it I can see right here that it's a very simple one color design. It's pink in this case, priced at $49.90. Even the stores selling fewer units are doing well, like with sales ranging between 40 and 50 units in the past month. So this product is definitely a must-have for winter. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to wrap themselves in a blanket hoodie? It's easy to see why this item is a bestseller across multiple stores. Now let's talk about marketing too, because marketing is interesting. Like AC Hampton mentioned in his video, like promoting this product is straightforward. Like I would suggest creating a simple video ad, just emphasizing that it's one size fits all, incredibly comfortable, and makes a perfect gift for anyone. It's just cozy, has cozy written all over it, and highlighting those points can really resonate with your target audience. So let's break down here the profit margin. Using Zik Product Finder, I found this product on AliExpress, and the product cost $12.30 with $6.95 for shipping, bringing it total cost to $20.25. And if you sell it at the same price as the best performing store, $49.90, your profit per sale is around $29 after Shopify fees. 355 sales in the last month brings you to about $10,000. My verdict, I love everything about this product. I have to say, the fact that so many stores are successfully selling it proves that there's a high demand and the best time to sell is right now. So don't miss out. This is definitely a winter best seller. All right, Zikkers, what do you think about this video so far? Are you enjoying it? Would you like to see more videos like this one? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you want access to the same tools that I'm using right now, you can subscribe to Zik Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Go check it out now and start finding and verify your winning products today. All right, the next product on AC Hampton's list is the Ultra HD Christmas gift projector. So let's check it out.
Best giftable items during this time. This portable projector comes with 4K HD and 130-inch display. So if you don't have a TV in your room, this is going to solve that problem for you. And you're going to notice that a lot of the products on this list are going to solve problems. It has an interactive smart TV interface, comes with Google Play, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and so on and so forth. And you can connect this to your phone, your laptop, any device that you want, which makes this very easy to be portable and bring this anywhere that you go. And again, look at that engagement, as this has only been in the market for 2 weeks. People are already saying we absolutely love ours, definitely worth the money, showing you different audiences that you can test, like saying, would this be good for camping, which we know it would be.
What a fantastic product, especially for the holiday and winter season. This is definitely a great idea to sell right now. So now let's just dig deeper into this product using Zik Analytics Product Explorer. First, I'll search for it by typing keyword projector, and then I just press search. Look at that right here. It looks fantastic. Just a few examples, like the one product right here sold 943 times, and then another one 502 times, and another one 380 times. What stands out the most is that the average price for this product seems to be around $130. And what's even better is that it's not just one store succeeding with this product, it's multiple dropshipping stores that are crushing it with this item. And this is a great sign of a product with wide success. Now, I do notice that the competition for this item is fairly high. Based on the results from the Zik Product Explorer, you can see it right here, right? However, the success rate of selling large quantities is clearly strong, so it's definitely worth considering. And when I switched over to Zik Analytics Product Finder, I found several suppliers offering this product. And here's one of them right here. This is the exact match. And this specific model is the Ultra HD, includes all the plug options and costs $90.27 with free shipping. Using the same profit calculation that I showed you before earlier, selling this product at an average price of $130 results in a profit of about $38 per sale after accounting for fees and costs. That's a solid margin for a high-ticket product like this. What's the verdict? Well, I think this is a fantastic high-ticket product to sell, especially if you focus on the Ultra HD model, which seems to perform best. And while the product isn't entirely unique in the market, its high success rate across multiple stores makes it an amazing opportunity to add to your dropshipping lineup. I think it's a great pick. AC Hampton, you did it again, my friend. Now, it's time to review the next product that AC Hampton recommends for December. The water flushing ear cleaner. So let's check it out.
So with this product, you're stepping into a new era of ear hygiene. This product is powered by water and it has a rechargeable convenience, allowing you to get the all-in-one that you need. This has a triple jet magic, allowing you to tailor your cleaning experience around 3 different pressure settings. This is also water resistant, so you can use this in the showers. And I really like that hook. Ooh, that feels good.
This looks like a very promising product because it's practical. It can appeal to a wide audience, and I would even call it this item like an evergreen product, one that you can sell year-round for consistent, stable sales. Now, let's just dive into the numbers behind this product. First, let me open here because I searched for it using the keyword ear cleaner in the Zik Product Explorer. And from just a quick glance, I found 4 stores selling the exact same product featured in AC Hampton's video. And here's what I discovered. As we can see, these 4 stores right here are selling this product at an average price of $70. One store sold it 45 times with sales revenue of almost $3,000 in the past 30 days, while the lowest performing store still managed to sell it 11 times in the same period. Sometimes it's better to focus on a product that can consistently sell at a steady pace rather than one that, has just a few big spikes in demand along the year. But this product is perfect example of what I call an ultimate stable product. And what I really like about this water flushing ear cleaner is that the specific model shown has achieved consistent sales across all 4 stores that we found. And to illustrate this, let's just take one of the stores as an example. So let's take a closer look right here at this product that, the store that sold it 45 times right here in the past 30 days and 2 times in the past week. Based on this data, I can confidently say that the sales are quite stable. Now, the even better part of this product is the profit margin per sale. Using Zik Product Finder, I found the exact item right here, and look at that. The cost of this product is $31.43 with $2.07 for shipping, bringing total cost to $33.50. Selling it at an average price of $70, the profit per sale comes out to around $34 after Shopify fees. That's a solid margin for a product with stable sales year-round. So my verdict, this is an excellent product for anyone looking to add a reliable evergreen item to their store. It offers consistent sales, operates in a relatively unsaturated market, and delivers high profit margins per sale. Truly, it's one of the best stable products out there. All right, Zikkers, before I review the last product in today's list, if you're enjoying this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to get more quality content about e-commerce world, man. Let's wrap things up right now with the last product featured in AC Hampton's video, the warming cocoon fan. But wait, what exactly is this warming cocoon fan? It's crazy. It's not from the movie, Kokum. No, let's check it out what AC Hampton had to say about it.
Now, this product is a product that can appeal to a huge audience of people, especially people who struggle with getting their house warm during the wintertime, or they just don't want to spend a lot of money while doing so. So what this product is going to do is save you a lot of money because it's not going to let you waste any heat going up to that ceiling. How it works is it captures the heat and spreads it equally throughout the room, allowing you to get those warm winter days and nights guaranteed. You simply just put it on top of your furnace or put it on top of your stove, and it's going to push that warm air throughout the room equally. During seasons like this, especially in those colder states, I mean, this right here is a banger. I cannot lie to you.
So now that we've got a better understanding of this unique product, let's just dig into the data and see what it has to offer. Like, to find this product, I played around with the keywords a little bit, and turns out that the common term for this item is wood stove fan. So let's enter that keyword into Zik's product explorer and take a closer look. Plenty of these fans are currently being sold in stores, and the top performing store sold this product 13 times in the past month. But here's something to keep in mind. The cold season has just started, and products like this one are likely to see just a sharp increase in sales as we approach January. So that makes right now the perfect time to add this product to your dropshipping store. Competition, it's on the higher side. Definitely, it's on the higher side. But overall, the sales look solid across most competitors. Now, let's talk about pricing, because the store with the highest sales is offering this product for $49.99, right? Which is reasonable for a product that saves money on like electricity while keeping homes warmer in a very cool different way. Now, using Zik Product Finder, I found out that the profit margins on this product are absolutely massive. Just look at this example right here on AliExpress. The price is just $8.82 with free shipping. That means that the dropshipping store is selling this product for more than like 5 times the sourcing cost. So for every sale, they're earning almost $40 in profit. But it doesn't stop there. Let's look at another competitor who's selling a 2-head version of the same fan for £49.99. It's about $63, selling for $63. And using the Zik Product Finder, I located the same product on AliExpress. And look at this. Can you believe it? Look, the sourcing cost right here. Look at that. That means that the store is selling this product at almost 6 times the sourcing price, earning around $50 in profit per sale before ad and operational costs. $50 profit on a product that costs less than $11? Are you kidding me? That's incredible. Don't you think so? My verdict, this is an excellent product with a very high profit margin. If you want to capitalize on this opportunity, the time to start selling this product is right now. As the cold season ramps up, so will the demand for this kind of item. Nice job, AC Hampton. You highlighted an amazing product with such an amazing profit margin. All right, Zikkers, there you have it. Our Zik Analytics review of AC Hampton's video, top 10 products to sell in December 2024. I want to give a big shout out to AC Hampton for sharing such a valuable knowledge with the e-commerce community. I hope that you enjoyed this video, Zikkers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, means a lot to me. Also, let me know about what do you think about this video in the comments below. Keep moving forward, and see you next time.